Good morning, everybody. Happy New Year. We're January 6th. Like, I literally believe that between January 1st to the 6th, it like goes by in 5 minutes. So boys are off to school. Did my morning walk. I'm now getting to breakfast. I know it's like 20 after 10. I definitely should have done this sooner. The life of working at home, right? Anyway, I thought I would pop on and share my morning smoothie with you guys. I am back on Good Food Row results, and I mean, you guys know that I have always been eating Epicure. 17 years of Epicure. I love it. It helps my meal planning, but sometimes I need a little kickstart and a little reminder. So what I love about this program is it has what's called a reset, and this is so great, especially after the holidays. So the reset is a 3-day reset. And what you do is you prep your breakfast, your lunch and dinners ahead of time. So I did that yesterday, and you have a smoothie every morning and a tea after dinner. So no snacking. So you're resetting. So that's the reset. I love it. If you want me to send you a picture of this, I can just drop a comment like, yes, send me the picture, or comment reset, and I'll snap a picture of this and share it with you. But I've been doing this program for many, many years, and when I stick to it, I have great results. I do unfortunately have some bad habits that like to sneak in. Snacking, especially after dinner, not getting all my water, and not being mindful to get my exercise. So I was out this morning with Hank, and we had a nice brisk walk, and now we're making our smoothie. So what goes in my smoothie? What they give you a basic recipe here on your reset, but what I love, and this is something I've learned from this program, is how to build a proper smoothie that's going to like keep you going till lunch without that snacking in between. So it's the Build Your Own Smoothie page. I love this. I've learned so much from it because prior to doing this, my smoothie consists of frozen fruit and liquid. It was a slushie, honestly. I might have even put a little vodka in there. Just kidding. But I really didn't understand what a proper smoothie was. I literally just thought it was frozen fruit. So proper smoothie has your healthy fat, vegetables, protein, and liquid. So today, what I did may not look the most appealing, but trust me, it's going to taste amazing. So good. So how I built today's, oh my gosh, I don't usually measure it out that perfect. Usually there's always too much to fit in my cup, but look at that. Perfect. So healthy fat, it calls for nut butter, or you can use seeds or avocado. I skipped that because I'm having a slice of multigrain bread, and I'm going to put a teaspoon of nut butter. I don't do anything fancy, guys. I know you probably should have like organic or natural, but like I just have regular peanut butter. So I'm going to put a teaspoon of that on my bread. In the smoothie, for the vegetables, I did spinach, super simple, about a half a cup. I love using spinach because it's simple and it's kind of flavorless. It really takes on the flavor of the fruit and the protein powder and stuff, so it's not strong. But I also, this is optional, you don't need to do this when you do a smoothie, but I've been using the Epicure Magic Scoop for quite some time now. I keep mine in a container, so I added my scoop of Magic Scoop. That's what makes it such a dark green. Magic Scoop is like a all-in-one supplement, but it's got like 75 ingredients. It's got all my greens. It's got everything all in one. If you want more info on that, just comment Magic Scoop. I can send you a little info on what this is all about. This is optional when you build a smoothie, but I added my scoop in there. For my fruit, I added a cup of mixed fruit. Honestly, you can use anything. And then for my protein, I use a scoop of protein powder. I'm obsessed with the Epicure salted caramel. Like, it is my favorite of all favorites. There's also vanilla and chocolate, which are really good, but salted caramel, honestly, so freaking good. Like, some days, if I'm like running and I don't have time to do a whole smoothie, I'll just take a scoop of this, scoop of my magic greens, fill it up with like unsweetened almond milk, shake it and go. Like, it's so delicious. Anyway, I love it. 20 grams of protein. It's vegan. It's heat stable, so you can bake with this. It doesn't have that chalky flavor. It doesn't make you feel bloated. Like, it is awesome. I could talk about it all day. And it doesn't have a lot of added stuff. You know, like I used to buy one at Costco. Tastes great. But when I read all the like sugars and stuff, this one only has 3 grams of sugar per serving. So it's awesome. However, if you don't have protein like this, you can use other options too for your protein. So you could put like cottage cheese. Don't knock it till you try it. Honestly, it sounds weird, but like if you put cottage cheese and like, especially if you use frozen cherries, it honestly tastes like cherry cheesecake. It's so good. You could use Greek yogurt. That's full of protein. So you don't have to have protein powder. But if you want, I just find it's convenient and it tastes so good. But you can use other options. So that's your protein. And then your liquid. So you could use milk, unsweetened almond, like any type of almond milk, cashew milk. I just used water. Okay, so healthy fat, veggie, lean protein, and liquid, and you've got a complete smoothie. And then I've got some bread, like a whole wheat toast. I'm gonna put a little bit of peanut butter, and we're ready to rock and roll. So that's my morning, and I am doing the reset. I'm super excited. I'm actually heading off to Mexico on Thursday, so it kind of puts a little bit of a little knot in my program, but that's okay because it's all about eating real food. So I'll make mindful choices. I'm not going to deny myself though. I am definitely having cocktails and I'm definitely having dessert. And then when I get back, I can just get right back onto the program, which is great. There's nothing fancy. It's not like some magic potion. Like all this program is 3 meals a day. Eating the right amount of portions, the right amount of protein, and doing it the right amount of frequency. Cutting out the snacking, drinking your water, getting active. I walk and I do some videos, but I don't have a gym membership or anything fancy. So I'm looking forward to 2025, ready to thrive. And if you guys want any information on this, even if you want this book for all the recipes and the meal plans, just drop a comment down below, real results, and I'll send you information on this. All right, have a great day, everybody. Cheers. Cheers.